Okay, some weather?
So the weather today has been, some houses have been flooded in, there's big wood back here, have been flooded, and so some of our trucks have been left to go to help the people, but there's some more Heels trucks still here. That
how was the weather at the parade, sir?
It was kind of sunny and cold. Well, it wasn't windy, but today it's gonna be sunny and a little cold. But I don't think it might be a little frost, but it might be like a windy night, and so we should So I hope we have a good sleep.
Yeah.
Bye.
Ash, can you put the sport on?
Hello, so this is the soccer.
Soccer news.
So I'll be telling you
Yeah.
the soccer games. I am Jay, so I'll be telling you all the soccer games. So England against Manchester United. England won 5 points, and they only won 0 points. So that means England won.
England won, Gav, yeah.
And so here's another one.
How did Sunderland get on today?
Kind of good, because they won 3, and the other team won 2, I think.
Oh, yeah, 3-2, the boys.
So, and Manchester City against Newcastle City. Manchester City won 4,
Yes.
and Newcastle won. Newcastle City only won 2 points, so that means the other team won.
Man City beat Newcastle. Brilliant.
And so that's it for today. Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.